On the whole, most equity markets in Asia are getting a lift from the solid gains on Wall Street last week. One analyst we spoke to is also optimistic that the Phase 1 U.S.-China trade deal will end successfully, but he remains cautious about the outlook for China.
It seems that the Phase 1 talks are going to conclude successfully, and both sides seem committed to trying to get back to a productive working relationship, decreasing the tariffs, and getting back to trade. The main things that might step in the middle of this, I don't think for all the issues today in Hong Kong, I don't think Hong Kong would derail the U.S.-China discussions. I think it has impact in other ways, and certainly it has a significant impact on the local regional economy in Hong Kong, but I don't think that will impact the larger U.S.-China discussions. So first of all, I think it's two very separate things, what's going on in Hong Kong versus what's going on at the U.S.-China trade level. And that data protection, cybersecurity issues, this is just one phase of that discussion between the United States and China, but it's the major discussion on the street, frankly, at this point in time. There's immense pressure, I think, on both sides to address national security on the one hand, for both, but also to address the ongoing economies. And there's no doubt that the Chinese economy is entering a rough patch, some of it because of the trade dispute, but some of it simply because this is the end of a significant super growth cycle. And how dramatic that end will be is yet to be determined, and we're all wondering, frankly. And that could have significant impact on the markets, both international and the regional markets as well, the Asian economies that are quite tied to China. Most are quite tied to the Chinese economy at this stage.